Lake Como, located in Italy, is a picturesque destination that has captivated travelers for centuries. With its stunning landscape and serene atmosphere, it is no wonder that Lake Como has become a popular tourist spot. Drone footage allows travelers to capture the essence of this iconic lake and its surrounding areas. From above, one can witness the crystal-clear waters, picturesque towns nestled along the shoreline, and the majestic mountains that provide a dramatic backdrop to this enchanting location. As one of the most popular tourist destinations in Italy, Lake Como attracts travelers from all over the world. Its charming towns and villages dotted along the shores offer a unique blend of old-world charm and modern luxury. From the elegant streets of Como to the colorful houses of Bellagio, each town has its own distinct character and allure. Lake Como's natural beauty provides ample opportunities for outdoor activities such as boating, hiking, and cycling. Visitors can explore the lake's shores by boat or simply relax on one of its many beaches. The surrounding mountains offer hiking trails with panoramic views that are sure to leave a lasting impression.